titanium oxide in cosmetic by Hakim, Husna and Kabilan from Group 9 Lecture 20. Cosmetics used by everyone nowadays, either to take care of their body, hair or to improve facial appearance. There are many specific products that can be used for specific body parts. Skincare is one of the examples of the cosmetic. It is used to prevent and treat facial problems, for example, acne, aging, or dehydration, and many more. Skincare products start from a cleanser, followed by exfoliator, toner, essence, serum, moisturizer, and lastly, sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most crucial part in skincare routine since it protects our skin from the most dangerous factor, the sun. It acts as UV filter regardless UVA or UVB to prevent skin aging, skin burning, and skin cancer. However, it will leave white cast to the user. This too happen because sunscreen contains titanium oxide or titanium dioxide. It is main ingredient in a physical sunscreen, where titanium dioxide itself is an UV filter and pigment known as titanium white or pigment white that registered as PW6.
Next, I would like to explain about physical and chemical properties of titanium oxide. First of all, let me explain about the physical properties of titanium oxide. Titanium oxide exists in white color powder. Titanium oxide has a high melting point where it turns to liquid at 1843 degrees Celsius. It has a boiling point at 2972 degrees Celsius. Titanium dioxide, which is similar to titanium oxide, is insoluble in water. Why? Sources from the internet tells us that the element titanium is being protected by the titanium oxide layer that prevents it to be soluble in water. However, titanium oxide is still soluble in some solution such as hot concentrated sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and nitric acid. At room temperature, it is found that titanium dioxide acts as an insulator, meaning it does not conduct electricity. However, the increase in the temperature of titanium dioxide increases its conductivity. This means titanium dioxide might not be able to conduct electricity under room temperature, but it can still conduct electricity if it is heated up. The last physical property is titanium dioxide has a density of 4.23 gram per centimeter cube. Now we are going to look at chemical properties of titanium oxide. Titanium dioxide is non-toxic and stable. This property of titanium dioxide makes it eco-friendly, where it does not bring any harm to the environment. Titanium oxide is quite unreactive under normal temperature. By normal temperature, we assume that normal temperature means room temperature. This allows titanium oxide safer to be handled by consumers under room temperature. Titanium dioxide does not react with some elements such as oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. However, under some specific condition, titanium oxide can react with some substances.
First of all, manufacturing of titanium oxide can be done in two different ways, either sulfate process or chloride process. The first step for sulfate process is the dissolving of ore ilmenite. Ore ilmenite is dissolved in sulfuric acid to form a mixture in sulfate. Any iron ions that form is removed through evaporation process so that the color of the final product is not spoiled. Hence, the remaining solution contains only titanium sulfate. The next step is the formation of hydrated titanium oxide. It starts with the hydrolysis of the titanium sulfate to produce insoluble hydrated titanium oxide. Sulfuric acid also formed through this process. The last step is the formation of anhydrous titanium oxide. The final stage of the process is the heating of the hydrated titanium oxide in a furnace, known as calciner. As the calciner rotating, the titanium oxide passes along it, and its temperature rises as it leaves. The heat will evaporate the water and decomposes any remaining sulfuric acid in the solid. The final product of the titanium oxide then is milled to form crystals of the size needed.